Do you think soil can be easily produced? You may argue that we have so many rocks, we can surely make lots of soil. But this is not as easy as it seems. Do you know that it takes more than 500 years to produce an inch of the topsoil? You heard me right. It takes 500 years. Now you will think twice before assuming that we have enough soil to last our lifetime. So it is important to note that soil too is a very valuable resource. The soil we have on this planet is limited and cannot be easily reproduced. But we humans are constantly ignoring this fact and are polluting the soil. How do humans actually pollute soil? Let us look at the occupation of agriculture. Farmers use large amounts of fertilizers and pesticides that harm the soil. Soil contains innumerable microorganisms which are very useful for recycling nutrients in the soil. What do I mean when I say recycle? When organisms die, the dead organic matter needs to be broken down into simpler nutrients. How is it broken down? The microorganisms act upon this matter and the nutrients then find their way into the soil. Now imagine if these microorganisms are absent. The soil will become infertile. And that's exactly what these harmful chemicals are doing to the soil. They are killing the microorganisms of the soil. They also kill the earthworms which make humus. What is humus? Have you heard people say higher humus content makes the soil fertile? Yes, humus is the remains of the dead matter of plants and animals, and earthworms help create this humus by working on this organic matter. Why is this humus so important? Did you know that the top layer of the soil contains humus and therefore it's the most fertile layer? Yes, and along with the humus, it contains living organisms and several other nutrients. Humus does make the soil fertile. It also helps absorb water and allows air to penetrate right into the ground. So now you know why humus is a very important soil component. Other factors such as soil erosion also makes the soil infertile. What do I mean by the word erosion? You know that water and wind are powerful when they are in motion. This powerful action causes the topsoil layer to be carried away. As I told you already, the topsoil is the most fertile part of soil. What is a soil without its top layer called? Infertile soil, that's right. The soil becomes infertile due to erosion. Do you know cutting trees also contributes towards erosion? Yes, but do you know which part of the tree prevents soil erosion? The roots, that's right. The roots of the trees hold the soil together and prevent it from being carried away. So what are we waiting for? You too can prevent soil erosion by planting a tree. We have learned so far that soil can be polluted by addition of harmful chemicals and by removal of valuable nutrients. In our next video, we will look at biogeochemical processes of the environment. A fancy term, isn't it? Do watch our next video to learn more about it.